Are you a foreign national currently working in a management position or are a high achiever? And are you also interested in applying for your own green card? My name is Luis Hess. I am an immigration attorney here in the greater Houston area with offices in both Houston and the Woodlands. And I'm here to talk to you today about the green card process, commonly referred to as EB-1. In order to obtain this type of green card, you must meet 3 out of 8 criteria. This criteria includes things such as being a manager of people within the company that you work for or have worked for, being a manager of a department, which does not necessarily mean that you manage people, but you manage a budget, you manage outcomes. Likewise, a way that we can demonstrate that you are a leader in your field is if people have written articles about you, you've been interviewed in some type of TV program, some type of publication, anything that includes your name and where you can demonstrate that you are an expert in your field. Likewise, if you publish, it's also a way that we can show that you are an expert in your field. This can be publications within trade journals, this could be publications on the internet, it could be something where you are recognized as an expert. Similarly, you can have received awards from different types of organizations. These organizations would need to be something where it is well known that you are a member, or at least you are well known enough to be recognized as a leader within your organization. Therefore, you've contributed something to the field, something to what you do as an industry, in which that's the reason that you have obtained this award. Similarly, if you act as a judge for different types of conferences, for instance, if you're going to a conference and there is an opportunity to be a judge and you're judging other people's work, their scholarly publications, this is another example in which we can show that you are an expert in your field of work. What I've described is not necessarily an exhaustive list, but at least gives you the idea of how you can apply for this type of green card. Now, the fact of the matter is that you only have to meet 3 out of the 8 criteria. You don't have to meet 4, you don't have to meet 5, you don't have to meet anything beyond 3. But the truth of the matter is a lot of individuals who come to us only meet 1 or 2 of the criteria. But that's okay. There are things that can be done during this process where we can help you meet that 3rd criteria. That is, if there are opportunities to act as a judge, to publish, to be interviewed, to obtain awards, then those are things that we can do during the process of gathering together the necessary documentation in order to apply for your green card, where you are the sponsoring person. Now, the great benefits of this are fairly clear. That is, you do not need a sponsor. You do not need a company. You do not need an individual applying for a green card for you. The fact is you're doing this green card on your own behalf. Secondly, the green card is given to not only you and your spouse, but is also given to your children who are under age 21. And the fact of the matter is, once you have that green card, you can live and work in the U.S. permanently. And after you have that green card for 5 years, you can then apply for U.S. citizenship. The fact of the matter is, what I've just described to you sounds fairly simple, but the truth is, it's fairly complex. It's very detail oriented and something that most people, in my opinion, shouldn't be attempting to do on their own. We have experience doing this, and if this is something that you would like guidance in applying for a green card directed by you, and that where you are in control of your own destiny, please give us a call at 281-205-8540. My name is Luis Hess. I'm an immigration attorney here in the greater Woodlands and Houston area. And again, if you would like to learn more about how you can apply for your own green card, please give us a call at 281-205-8540.